Hi there, if you are at this point, you're ready to start your investing journey, or you've already started your investing journey, you're not quite sure what that next level is, and you want to get clear about what you need to do correctly to get you the best result. My name is Duncan Buchanan and welcome to the Intelligent Investing Headquarters. Firstly, congratulations on downloading the free review which outlines some of the strategies that you can implement right now to get you closer to your level of financial freedom. If you watch this short video through to the end, you'll see how you can have more time, more choice and a better quality of life, but most importantly, I'll show you the number one step that you must take to get yourself closer to your end result. A lot of people I've worked with over the years get stuck with all the investment information that's out there and they hit information overwhelm. I'm going to move you from information overwhelm to a place that you can make well-informed investment decisions. I'm going to take you from fearing that you don't have enough choice to a place where you've got plenty of options that are aligned with your lifestyle goals. I'm going to take you from a place where you can avoid making investment mistakes, or indeed avoid making the same mistakes over and over again, and allow you to make investment decisions with safety and certainty. So many people are financially fearful. They don't seek help and they muddle along with the information that they have. I'm going to take you from being financially fearful to living a life of abundance through quality investment decisions so you can live the life that you so rightly deserve. For the last decade and a half, I've been learning and experiencing this at a practical level. As a husband and a dad of two beautiful kids, I wanted to make sure I had more time and more ability to have quality family experiences. I didn't want to solely rely on an income. Before I turned 39, we had paid off the mortgage completely on our family home, and we still maintain a multi-million-dollar investment portfolio. I've had the privilege to be able to speak with and educate thousands of people around Australia and indeed overseas on how they too can have the investment results that allow them to have the lifestyle that they choose to live. And this has brought together the current system, which is called the Intelligent Investors Blueprint. And it's a three-step system that allows you to get closer to your level of personal and financial freedom. The three-step system is map, move, and measure. And in the first step of map, we're going to go through what your future goals are, make sure we clearly articulate your current foundation and what strategies and what changes do you need to make to allow you to get closer to your future goals. The second step is move, and this is what I call our investment education. What's even possible out there? We will go through the different types of investments, shares, property and business. How do you analyze the different types of investments? What funds do you need to make? What are the banking requirements? What are the credit policies? What entity and legal structures do you need to use? Companies, trust, discretionary, unit trust. What are the tax considerations? What other specialists do you need to have in your team? Do you need to have a self-managed super fund retirement goal? The third stage that we move into is the measurement stage. This is where we start measuring our investments to make sure that they're performing well. You know what your financial statements are. You even know what a P&L is. How often do you track? How do you review it? What tools and resources do you use to record those performances, record those measurements? And this is where we start bringing all of these components together, and I call this our investment intelligence. The Intelligent Investors Blueprint is an opportunity for those people who qualify to have personalized one-on-one education and support on a monthly basis. In addition to that, there is group monthly online training, there are resources, there are checklists, there are templates that you can use to implement to analyze your investments, to track your investments, and to also make sure that you're up to date with the most relevant information that's based around your lifestyle decisions. The step from here is, look, I don't know you and you don't know me, but I look forward to finding out more about you. So I'd encourage you to take the time to book a 10-minute call. And from here, we can discuss what your requirements are, what your needs are, and I'd be looking forward to teaching you what those opportunities are for you moving forward. Book your call and I'll talk to you very soon. Have a sensational day.